Okay, so in this particular task, this is the first slide you're going to see. So this is week 6, day 4-5. You're going to see this as your first slide. And these yellow and orange shapes will not mean anything to you unless you watch the video. So make sure you watch that video first so that you know what to do or understand this task. So here it says place the name on top of the correct shape and then move the fractions to the right category. So all of these words here can be moved. So I can put this like on top of here if that's what makes sense. Okay, but if it doesn't make sense, obviously don't put it there. So watch the video to figure that out. Then once those words are up there, then you can take your fractions and put them under the right category. Okay. So all of those fractions you can just place in the right place or in the right category. The second slide is going to look like this, and you will have some images here. So these green ones are split into 5 pieces. The purple ones are split into 7 pieces. The yellow are split into 8, and the pink are split into 6. And the red are split into 4, and these brown ones here, even though they're tiny, are split into 3s. It's just so you can interpret it. So all the green ones are split into 5. So this very first one, we would look at it, and we are going to be looking for both the mixed fraction and the improper fraction that matches this picture. So I can clearly see that there are 5 whole strips colored in, and the 6th image there has just 1 of the 5 colored in. So I'm going to be looking for 5, let's see, 5 1/5. So I'm going to grab that and put it under this image. Now I'm going to put my mixed images on the bottom and my improper on top. It doesn't matter which order you do it, you decide. Just maybe try and keep it consistent. So if it's mixed, put them all along the bottom, and then the improper above that. Okay, so my improper here, improper is looking at all the pieces in total. So I've got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and then 1 more. So that's going to be 26 fifths. And there it is. So 26 fifths would go here. So now I have both fractions for that image, and then you're going to move on to the next image. Now there's a little note here at the bottom, and it says, careful, some of these fractions are written as equivalent fractions. So they're going to be split into more. So if, for example, if the shape that you see is split into 6 pieces, it might be split or written in terms of 12 pieces. So you would have to figure, there's a few that you're going to have to figure out. They don't match the splitting that the image has, but it's an equivalent fraction to it. All right. So the next slide, you're once again given different images, and you're going to write in both the improper and the mixed version of it. So in this first image here, so this guy here, I have 2 full ones completely colored in, and the third one has just the 1 strip colored in. So to write that as an improper fraction, I would have 3 and 3, that's 6, and 1 more is 7. So I'm going to put 7 in there, but each rectangle is split into 3 parts. So 7 of 3 would be the improper fraction for that image. The mixed, I can clearly see that 2 of them are fully colored in, and the last rectangle there has 1 of the 3 colored in. Okay, so I just go ahead and type in the mixed and improper fraction for that. And then there's another slide like that, and then the final slide, you are given the improper fraction and you have to write what that would be in terms of mixed. So you're going to have to visualize, if I have objects split into 4 pieces, how many would be complete? Okay, and then what would be left over? And so what you're going to do in underneath here is explain how you did it. So what was your thinking? And then the very last question is, now you're given the mixed and you're asked to convert it to improper. Okay, so what's your process and what's your thinking for doing that based on the fact that you've done a whole bunch of mixed and improper questions so far? So try and think of visuals to help you answer these. All right, and that is all for now. Let me know if you have any questions related to these in Google Meets. Okay, bye for now.